This is the bird menagerie greenhouse at the Playboy Mansion. It's gonna get teared down for parking. So sad. But this is what it looks like before it gets destroyed. Hi, toucan. Come say hi. You walk this way. A lot of green. Yeah, some birds. Mr. Toucan really likes people. You're gonna get moved. What do you think, buddy? Alright, walk around this way. Come to some more birdies. The fishes. I'm doing a video tutorial before it gets torn out.
Oh, I just took a picture to see if make sure I get the colors right. So if I do find them online and match the pictures, that make sure it's right.
Yeah, let me know.
See if I can. Let me see if any of my pictures actually came out. It kept moving.
This is what it looks like before it's all turned down. Hi, buddy. We got some koi fish and some turtles. You just can't see them. Little waterfall. Some more birds in a little nook. And he's hiding up there. You can't really see him. Into this beautiful area. A pigeon that's really nice. He likes attention. Hey, buddy. How are you doing? Say hello. You go around this way. Let's see. Come over here and say hi. Come say hi. She's like, no.
Mickey Doodle, come here.
And the fish tank. Let's back up for this one. So how pretty it used to be. Hi, kids. Possessive Mister.